We are thrilled to announce Young Sereno, located in the beautiful Creekside Village at the award-winning Tesoro Viejo community, where you can enjoy surrounding natural open spaces along with resort-style amenities. In Creekside Village, you'll discover the serene beauty of Beaver's Pond, enjoy private parks including a future dog park, miles of trails, and access to the San Joaquin River.
And that's not all. At Young Sereno, you are a short walk from the ranch house, the community social hub with year-round heated pools, the fitness center, and more. And you can enjoy community farmers markets and live music at the amphitheater.
Continuing the list of countless amenities at Tesoro Viejo, there's exceptional education on site. With the Hillside Elementary School and the future Rio Mesa Education Center, not to mention on-site health services as well as fire and sheriff stations on site. Truly, it is one-of-a-kind community here at Tesoro Viejo. Now let's talk about the homes at Young Sereno. We're offering an exclusive version of our Young Discover Series collection, ranging from 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with several curated packages to choose from. Young Sereno offers single and 2-story floor plans ranging in size from 1,500 to 2,600 square feet of open, flexible living space. And each home will be a Young SmartHome, which means you can expect innovative energy conservation, advanced home automation, and more.
So if you're interested in Young Sereno at Tesoro Viejo, which launches this June, we encourage you to join our VIP list today. Take the first step to joining the Tesoro Viejo lifestyle with Young Sereno.